basi. Khalani chete mafana, ine ndine mtumbuka. English I'm translating. Khalani pasi mafana, boma munalandisa. Mr.
Iniyo mukudziwa kale kunena kuti ku parliament kucha pamene Simplex Chichola banda amadzudzula michitidwe yosiyanasiyana kumene kuti anawukiridwa ndi ena mwa omwe adawawukira ndi Felix Njawala manangofunsa mafunso not kuwawukira kuti ino muli ndi manja mwanu mwakuda muli magazi inonso bwanji mukubweranso kuzakamba za nzano kunabweranso enanso akuluakulu.
Maza Central.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Let me congratulate you since this is my first time to rise in this House. Mr. Speaker, I just wanted to find out if it is in order for the leader of opposition, who was a cabinet minister in a government that lost power just 2 months ago, a government that practiced nepotism, tribalism, criminality, to stand in this House and condemn the same. Doctrine of equity, Mr. Speaker, demands that he who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Is it in order for somebody who has dirty hands to come and demand equity? Thank you very much.
DPP is only 2 weeks old. Do you think they can import fuel in 2 weeks? In 2 weeks? Do you think they can change the economy in 2 weeks? Let's be fair enough. Who gives birth in less than 8 days? Even chickens. Ngakhala sabwe simaswa pa 8 days in the 21 days. DPP, you are blessed. And I give you all the mandate to rule. Don't listen from the Egyptians. All these Egyptians you see, you shall see them no more when you implement it.
Consider winding up. Honorable, consider winding up. Your time is out.
I know that the new minister of transport would consider the Rumpi Nyika Chitipa Road. This thing has been a song for long years. If the minister of finance wants to test his power and his ability to deliver, start with the Rumpi Nyika Road. It's where people are going to believe. That
with these few remarks?
With these few remarks. You know, the anointing is just coming. The AIP, we support the government for reducing the contribution of 10,000 kwacha to every bag. I have to promise the people of Rumpi West. It is for the first time in history for the people of Rumpi West to repeat an MP. Rumpi West Simabwereza. But for the sake, I announce here in Parliament, all beneficiaries of subsidy fertilizer in my constituency, everyone is going to be topped up with 10,000 kwacha. Actually, I'm going to pay for everyone who is a beneficiary for the fertilizer to support the presidency.
Thank you.
I thank you.
Thank you. Honorable members.